Hello, my name is Eleni Xenaki and I'm a Greek reborner. I really like so much Ping Lau's kids, and Juliana is one of them. One of them of the series of smiling babies of hers. Well, I had the chance to have a custom order and reborn her, and I'm really glad with the result. She is amazingly lifelike. She has got human hair, 100%, beautiful green glass eyes, and a really stunning smile. She will be on her way home really soon. Her mama is truly in love with her, as much as I am, of course. I'm looking forward to reborn more of Ping Lau's kids. I hope you like her. Well, hugs from me and joy from beautiful Greece.